Welcome back to the channel on this absolutely sweltering hot day. We're here at the classic Autojumble in Aylesford, in Kent. Obviously I haven't got a classic car, I've got my Jag, but let's go and have a look around and see what we can find. There's some absolutely insane cars in the car park, so that gives me a very good hope for what's in the show itself. So let's go and have a look. Starting off amazingly with a DB7 Vantage in a beautiful chrome grey. Absolute prime example. So this is why it's always worth having a look around the car park before actually going into a show. Look at this Dino. Just targa topped Dino. Just parked in the car park next to two R34 Skylines or GTRs. A rather eclectic mix in the car park. One side you've got two Porsches, 911 Carrera GTS and a 718 Boxster. And then you've got a old school Austin 7, crank start Austin 7. We're not even in the show yet. And this is what we've got out here. Ridiculous. And then we have a classic Fiesta Z-Tech. Nose. I love that. It's not very nice, is it? We need to make up our mind. Is it a Z-Tech? Is it an S? Is it an ST? I don't think he knows. Star of the show. So, chassis mounted spoiler on the boot. We've got a jack point strut, Mr. Boostly. Now this is interesting. What have we got here? Is this a real for 348TS Testarossa, or is it a kit car? But it's for sale. I rate that. So here we have an amazing example of a AC Cobra replica. It's actually a 1980 Granda Sumo. I'm not entirely sure I rate the fitment on this wide-bodied Focus. Where'd the wheels go? At least it's got a body mounted spoiler. So here's the thing. That was a little bit short-lived. £5 entry. Fine, not a problem with that. Cash only. I don't have cash. I also recognise that I said two R34 Skylines. In fact, they are GTR's R35 Skylines. I'm blaming it on the heat, not my lack of car knowledge. But there we have it, guys. My very short-lived career as a car vlogger. I do apologise that I've disappointed all of my subscribers. All, I don't know, 2,000 something odd of you. Sorry for the 40 odd people that watched this video.